Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to so many of you: arthritis. We're talking about natural ways to potentially ease those aches and pains, and no, it's not another supplement you have to buy. We're going straight to the source: food. We're going to unlock the secrets of arthritis-healing foods that they don't always tell you about in the doctor's office. We're talking about the power of your pantry, the hidden potential in your fridge, and how making a few simple changes to your diet could make a world of difference. If you're tired of feeling limited by your joints, if you're ready to take control of your health, and if you're looking for natural ways to feel better, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine: turmeric. You know it, you might even love it. But did you know this vibrant yellow spice is a bit of a superhero when it comes to fighting inflammation? That's because turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Think of curcumin as a natural firefighter, rushing to put out the flames of inflammation in your body. See, when you have arthritis, your joints are basically under attack from chronic inflammation, leading to that stiffness, pain, and reduced mobility. Now, I'm not saying ditch your meds and go on a turmeric spree. Always talk to your doctor about what's right for you. But incorporating turmeric into your diet could be a great way to potentially complement your current treatment plan. How do you actually use it? Turmeric is super versatile. Sprinkle it on roasted veggies, add a dash to your smoothies, or even brew yourself a warm cup of golden milk before bed. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. And hey, if you're already using turmeric and loving it, let me know your favorite way to enjoy it in the comments below. Next up, we've got another powerhouse from the spice rack: ginger. You probably know ginger best for its ability to settle an upset stomach, but this knobby root has another trick up its sleeve fighting inflammation. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. In fact, some studies suggest that ginger could be as effective as ibuprofen in reducing pain in people with osteoarthritis. Now, before you swap your pain meds for a ginger shot, remember, it's crucial to talk to your doctor about what's right for you. But incorporating ginger into your diet could be a delicious way to potentially support your joint health. So, how do you get more ginger in your life? Easy. Add fresh ginger to your stir-fries, brew a soothing cup of ginger tea, or even try adding a slice of ginger to your morning smoothie. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, try making your own ginger shots. Let's move on from the spice rack to the seafood counter with fatty fish. I'm talking about salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines. These guys are swimming in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for fighting inflammation throughout your body, including your joints. Think of omega-3s as the lubricant your joints crave. They help reduce inflammation, protect cartilage, and might even slow down the progression of arthritis. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, I can't be eating salmon every day, and you know what? You don't have to. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap the benefits. Not a fan of fishy flavors? No problem. You can also get omega-3s from supplements like fish oil or algae oil. Just be sure to chat with your doctor before starting any new supplements to make sure they're right for you. Let's talk about something sweet, shall we? Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. They're not just delicious, they're also packed with antioxidants. Those powerful little compounds that fight cell damage and inflammation. When it comes to arthritis, antioxidants are like your own personal cleanup crew, neutralizing those harmful free radicals that contribute to joint damage. And the best part? Berries are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, in smoothies, on top of yogurt. The possibilities are endless. So next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to stock up on these colorful little gems. Your taste buds and your joints will thank you. We're traveling to the Mediterranean now for our next arthritis-fighting food: olive oil. This kitchen staple is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is often praised for its health benefits, especially when it comes to reducing inflammation. Olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects similar to ibuprofen. That's right, you heard me correctly. Now, I'm not saying to ditch your medication and start chugging olive oil. But incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet could be a delicious way to potentially support your joint health. Use it to dress your salads, drizzle it over roasted veggies, or even use it for low-heat cooking. Just remember, heat can damage the beneficial compounds in olive oil, so it's best to use it in its raw form whenever possible. Let's take a break from eating and focus on drinking, specifically green tea. This ancient beverage has been revered for centuries for its health benefits, and for good reason. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, including a powerful one called EGCG, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. In fact, studies suggest that EGCG might help reduce joint pain and stiffness in people with rheumatoid arthritis. Now I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, I've tried green tea and it's just not my thing. And you know what? That's okay. There are plenty of other ways to get your antioxidant fix. But, if you're open to giving green tea another shot, try experimenting with different varieties and brewing methods until you find one you enjoy. You can even add a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey to sweeten the deal. Let's be honest, garlic makes everything taste better. But did you know that this pungent bulb is also a powerful anti-inflammatory? That's right, garlic contains a compound called diallyl disulfide, which has been shown to interfere with the inflammatory process. Studies suggest that garlic could be particularly beneficial for people with rheumatoid arthritis, potentially helping to reduce joint pain and stiffness. Now I know some of you might be hesitant to embrace garlic because of its, shall we say, lingering aroma, but trust me, the potential benefits are worth it. And hey, if you're really concerned about garlic breath, try chewing on a sprig of parsley or mint afterwards. It'll help neutralize the odor and leave your breath feeling fresh. Let's talk about broccoli, that cruciferous veggie that often gets a bad rap. But trust me on this one, broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to joint health. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, and might even help slow down cartilage damage in osteoarthritis. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, I've tried to like broccoli, but it's just not happening. And you know what? That's okay. There are plenty of other cruciferous veggies out there like cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. But, if you're open to giving broccoli another chance, try roasting it with a little olive oil and garlic. The high heat brings out its natural sweetness and makes it absolutely delicious. Let's talk about walnuts, those brainy-looking nuts that are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. But did you know that walnuts are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, which our bodies can convert into EPA and DHA, the same anti-inflammatory compounds found in fatty fish? That's right, walnuts are like a 2-for-1 deal. They provide those joint-loving omega-3s and a healthy dose of antioxidants all in one tasty package. Now I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, nuts are high in calories, and you know what, you're right. But a small handful of walnuts a day can go a long way in supporting your overall health, including your joints. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of walnuts. Let's wrap things up with a leafy green that's been a symbol of strength for decades, spinach. Popeye was definitely onto something when he gulped down those cans of spinach. Spinach is packed with antioxidants including vitamins A and C, as well as a compound called camphorol, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and might even help reduce cartilage damage in osteoarthritis. Now I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, I've tried to like spinach, but it's just so leafy. And you know what? That's okay. There are plenty of other leafy greens out there like kale, romaine lettuce, and arugula. But if you're open to giving spinach another chance, try adding it to smoothies, soups, or even sautéing it with a little garlic and olive oil. You can even sneak it into sauces and casseroles without altering the flavor too much. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible foods that could make a world of difference in managing your arthritis. Remember, while these foods have amazing potential, it's important to talk to your doctor about what's right for you. They can help you create a personalized plan that addresses your specific needs. Incorporating these foods into your diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Staying active, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing stress are also crucial for managing arthritis and living your best life. So there you have it. Start incorporating these power foods into your diet and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.